Welcome to our channel. Today we are configuring standalone simplicity and historian. Let's start. First you need to disable these settings in historian computer and enable these in advanced firewall and enable these rules in Windows security. These three also and allow these things in simplicity. First, we need to create same user on both computer, Simplicity computer and Historian computer. Go to manage, then click on local user. I'm configuring Dell and same user on Historian computer. We need to make a password same on both computers, username and password. Then close it. In Historian computer, we need to install only install Historian and also add install Excel add-in for Historian. It used for backup or and reporting. Close it. In OWS or Simplicity system, we need to install some parts of Historian. First one is collector. It's for writing the data. Then click OK. Next. Select OPC collector. Then next. Then next again. Select the driver. You need to select this driver. Simplicity OPC server 1. Then press next. Then press next. This is local machine. Simplicity install in local machine. Then click Historian. Change the destination. In my case, the Historian computer name is Historian. Go to File Manager. Right click on PC. Then Property. Look, the Historian PC name is Historian. That's why I'm putting Historian here. Then click Next. I am already done this, so I am close this and also install client tool in Simplicity computer and install Excel also. Adding Historian for reporting. Then go to Simplicity. Let's create a project. Create new project. Give username. I'm putting admin. I'm closing this. First, we need to connect the Historian. Then click on Historian. So disconnect this. This is Historian. This is historian computer name. This is historian. Close it. Again open it. Historian. Go to here and disconnect this. This is the username. Then click OK. Now historian is connected. Close these things and go to simplicity. Create user and password. Confirm password. Click next. Give a project name. Historian communication. Select OPC driver. Then select Modbus TCP/IP. Press next. Then go to historian. Give historian PC name. Go to my file explorer. Property. Copy historian name and paste in here and give user name dull and give password. Also put the user password here which we create earlier during creating a project. We are putting same username here and click on test. Look, the connection to the historian is correct. Then press OK. Now go to port, create a port, press OK. Give description Modbus, apply, OK. Then go to device, create new, give the name device name MB master. Then press OK. Select quantum here, give the IP. Getting local server. Then apply OK. Create a points. Create a new device. Put the tag. Give the tag point name. Modbus register. Press OK. Then give the length here. I put 10 integer and give the starting address here. Apply OK. We need to create local tags. We are creating virtual tags. This is integer equation. Give the array address. Apply. Okay. Create duplicate tag. Change the work address. Start runtime. Update configuration first, then start runtime. Yes. The runtime is started. Check the values. Communication is healthy or not. Communication not established. You need to check again. Go to device. Check this thing. Select modicon 90. This one. Apply. OK. Then stop runtime. Now start again the runtime. Press OK. The runtime is started. Now go to points. Now check the array. Point control panel. Look, the value is coming and communication will established. Right click here. Check the value. This tag also getting the values. Then click on enable historian tag. Enable tag to historian. These three tags we are enabling. Then go to historian server. Then click OK. Look, the collector is running auto. Click on show alerts. This is connected now. Earlier it was unknown. Then it is connected running. Go to tags. Look, click on OK. There is no tags. So we need to stop the SCADA and start again this SCADA. Now start again. Click yes. Click on yes. Okay. Now runtime is started. Then check the collector. It's running now. Then go to tag, search tag, click OK. Look, the three tags is coming, which we enable from SCADA. Check the value. These are healthies. Check second tag, check third tag. The communication with Cimplicity on standalone computer, it's done. Looks like these settings we need to disable. Thanks for watching our channel. Please like and subscribe.